As a retirement firm owner, I know it's hard for you to record content, post it on social media, and then start getting leads because you are new into this space and you don't understand, how to record the videos and how to understand if this content can actually get you leads or not. In this video, I'm going to talk about the most important thing: hook, body, call to action. The most important point of this part is the hook, because if you don't have strong hook, the video doesn't matter. Let's say you have really great body content, you are speaking about specific problems you fixed before, etc, etc. If the hook doesn't stop them, you will lose this game. Before we get into that, I want to talk about my client Daniel, who owns Nation's First Financial. He owns retirement firm, and he came to me and he asked me about how can I get more leads with my content, etc, etc, because he had problem and he's been making content over 3 years and he didn't see any results. And after 2 weeks working together, I got him over 150 leads sign up, and they got leads, and his sales reps calling them and qualifying them and closing the deals. And now let's dive in. So let me talk about the hook, the most important thing. I will get more into details, so make sure you stick to the video because the hook is the most important part. And then we have our body, like the body content, and then call to action. 75% of your effort you are going to put on the hook, and 20, I will say 10, maximum 10% of your time to creating the body, and 15% for call to action. So our main goal is making sure people hear our message at the first part. Now let me talk about the body. The body can be a simple content that you can talk about a success of your clients, any type of success that you help them and they achieved after working with you, and they saved a lot of money with your strategies. And you can keep the body really simple, really simple educational content and some case study type of content, showing exactly what type of work you gave to your client and they got success from it. I will say before creating content, so make sure you create 2 different type of body content, the same body content, same testimonial style. It can be about, you are going to talk about, let's say John, Nick, or any kind of client you had before. So have 2 body content recorded, one educational style of content. You can expand this, you can talk about 401k. You can talk about spouses, after they pass, and also you can talk about the client win. So this one is really emotional content, the hook is going to be about them, and client win is the most success you are going to see, because people are not going to trust you from the first place because they don't know you. They are going to see you for the first time. If you show up with client win testimonial content, they are going to trust you even more, and they are going to make sure sign up or take the next step or book a call with you. So now I want to talk about call to actions. So you have 2 different types of call to actions you are going to use in this process. So first one is going to be click the link, book a call, book a call to action. So you are going to test book a call to action. The second thing, call us now. Why? Because this type of audience they are old, they are 59 plus years old. Let's say someone is seeing your campaign, let's say he's or she's 70 or 68 years old. They are already retired, it's been 2 years, 3 years, and they are interested in what you do. Maybe they go to the website and they be confused when they see video or book a call meeting. Maybe they don't know how to use it. You can use call us now button, and they click and they call you immediately, your team. You can have the phone number and you can run the content as only appear in these times, because I'm sure not everyone is working 24/7. So you are going to make sure while running ads, understand that from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. show this ad to this kind of people so they can call at that time, and your team can handle the call and eventually take them to the book a call. Call us now works really well. But book a meeting, it works as well because not a lot of people are free at that time when they see the content. So maybe they go to the website and they book a meeting. So you need to have two call to actions when you are creating this content. At the end of the video, make sure you record two call to actions once. One, click the link, book a call. The second one, call us now. You can test it out after that. So now let's talk about the hooks, because you need to understand what type of hook is winning and how you can get more leads from the content you are making. So you have different types of hooks in place. I'm going to draw it this way. You have this winning hook, and you have this hook that's getting you some leads. You have this hook, and you have the fourth hook. So you need to understand before even thinking about creating your body content or choosing your call to action. You need to understand how many hooks you are going to use. My opinion is at least test 4 types of hooks at the beginning, because you are new. It might be hard for you to record videos all the time, so you need to be testing at least 4 hooks. Let me give you an example for hooks that you can use. If you are over 60 and you still don't have tax strategy in place, this is something you can use for testing. The second type of hook, retiring in the next 5 years. Here's the number one tax mistake that can cost you thousands. Another example of hook, most people over 60 are paying way more in taxes than they need to. Have you seen the example, most people over 60, let's say you are creating the content, the hook start with most people over 60. If someone is over 60, will stop the scroll and hear what you are going to talk about, because you are not targeting teenagers, 18, like 20, 25. You are targeting people over 60, and you are making it obvious at the first 3 seconds. It's not even 3 seconds, like 2 seconds, they are going to hear this. And the last example of hook you can use, stop before you retire. So this is someone you are speaking like 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, even though 57, because I've seen a lot of people taking this decision before they even retire, so they can be prepared and ready to go. Because with this type of strategies, you can easily save like 50k, 40k a year. So you need to understand your hooks, create a content, and test them. Test each one of them. Because as I showed in this example, let's say you have your winning hook. This is your winning hook, and you are getting a lot of leads from this hook. But on the other side, you have like different hooks that getting you leads as well, but it's slow. It's not comparable to this hook, like the first hook that is working and getting you, 10s, 20 leads a day. And you need to understand how you can make these hooks better so you can get more leads, because you have 2 different types of hooks that you are going to use for someone to get the free lead magnet, like free PDF, free gift, or something, free guide, or even the ebook. You can provide them with something for free so they can take value and know your brand more. And so you have their contact information as well. You can call them out, nurture them, and get them booked, because you already know their pain and you have their phone number, first name, last name, and you can easily start targeting them. And when it comes to the book a call, it's the same, but it's going to be different, your call to action, as I told you, like book a call or call us now. For PDFs, like ebooks, you are giving, click the link, and you can say find out how you can save more of your taxes. And with this call to action, you can easily print leads. I've seen a lot before. Before wrapping up this video, so you have your hook, put most of your time on recording the hooks, understanding the hooks, and making sure you test at least 4 hooks at a time. The second thing, you have your body. Create you can create 2, 3 max bodies to record the videos based on the hook. And then you have your CTA. Use call us now or click the link, book a meeting, and when it comes to free lead magnets, free guides, free ebooks. So you can say click the link and find out how you can save more of your taxes. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this was helpful. If you need help for getting leads for your retirement firm, you can click the link and book a one-on-one call with me. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. See you on the next one.